Want to stop games crashing on your PS5? I'll walk you through the most common fixes, step by step. If this helps, please subscribe and like the video. Step 1. Note the problem. If a game crashes to the home screen, stay calm and try the following steps in order. Step 2. Check the game for updates. Highlight the crashing game on the home screen. Press Options. Then choose Check for Update. Install any update found. Step 3. Update PS5 system software. Go to Settings, System Software Update and Settings, Update System Software and install any available updates. Step 4. Power off and enter safe mode. Turn the PS5 off completely. Then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep to boot into safe mode. Step 5. Connect a controller. Connect your DualSense controller to the PS5 with a USB cable and press the PS button to pair it while in safe mode. Step 6. Clear System Cache. In safe mode, select Clear System Software Cache, or the option labeled Clear Cache and Rebuild Database, Clear System Software and Cache, and confirm. The PS5 will restart. Step 7. Rebuild database if needed. If crashes continue, reboot into safe mode again and choose Rebuild Database. This reorganizes the drive and can fix corrupted temporary files. Step 8. Check ventilation and placement. Make sure your PS5 has at least 4 inches, 10 centimeters of clearance on all sides, is on a hard surface, not carpet, and is not blocked. Overheating can cause crashes. Step 9. Inspect the game install. If only one game crashes, highlight that game, press Options, choose Delete, then confirm removal. Step 10. Re-download the game. Open Game Library, find the deleted game, and download it again. This ensures fresh installation files. Step 11. Check storage space. Make sure your PS5 has enough free storage. Go to Settings, Storage and Free Space if needed. Very low storage can cause instability. Step 12. Test with another user or game. Try launching a different game or log in with another PSN user to see if crashes persist. This helps isolate whether it's the game, profile, or system. Step 13. Last resort. Reinstall system software or contact support. If none of the above works, consider reinstalling PS5 system software via Safe Mode's Reinstall System Software option. This will require a USB with the update and may erase data. Or contact PlayStation support for repair options. Closing. Try these steps in order and test the game after each one. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more PS5 troubleshooting guides.